Hello Hivers and welcome to my video today. I'm going to be going through how I make a email in ListNerds. So I will guide you through step by step the process of creating the email. I like to use an image in my email, so I will add an email and show you how I do that. I will also try and point out a couple of important things as we go along, which might be useful for you. So if you're new, it will maybe hopefully help you to get started. And if you already are experienced, then you can see if you're doing it the same way or you have some different method. So the first thing to do is check that you have ListNerds available. Also, I usually use eSensi, but I will link here to article in PeakD, and then I use Imgur to store my images on the internet. So those are the tools that I use. So the first thing I would do from the dashboard is select send mail. So see if we have a mail available to send. And when you see that you can send a mail, the important thing to check is that you have enough mail to send. So I would send at least 1200 mail out per time. Best of all, maybe 1500 or 1600 to reach enough people. As you see, I've got 6 people in my downline, so I already have 5,000 to be sent already. And so there's plenty of mail tokens that I've got here, so I just leave it as it is. So the first thing I do is to look where I want to put the picture. So I usually like to write some text on the top, so I skip down a couple of points. And then here I will look to try and insert my picture. So to do that, I will go first to Imgur, and then I will go to images. So you can see the images I've got here. And then I would click add images and then upload the image I want. So here is the image I've made. So I will upload this one. You can see it is appearing here if I click on it. So I want to put my cooldown article into ListNerds and try and drive some traffic there. So I will, and what I need to do here is take this HTML code. So I need to click here, copy. Then I will go back to ListNerds and then click on insert, then media. And then here you get 3 options, and the one we want is embed. So once we've clicked embed, we can click somewhere in this box and then paste the code that we just copied here. So this is the code we want for our image. So there's another step to do here, but before I do it, I will show you why we will do it. So first I will just click save, and you can see our image has appeared here, but it's really big. It's not really good. So we can try and make it a bit smaller. So I try and compact it a little bit. And then we can also click here, preview, and we can see it's kind of at the edge here, maybe it's not too bad, but it could go out of the window here. So there's something we can do to fix that. You can see if I make it bigger and preview, you can see it comes out the window. And and this is not looking so nice if someone's got a different sized browser opened or screen size or something. So to fix that, what I would do is, so first I would delete it again, and then I'll copy this HTML and start the process again. So I'll go here, media, embed, and then paste this code in. And to fix this issue, I have some text I've saved here, and then I will copy this. And then here at the end, I will paste it in. So this, so you can see here it's gone big again. But here you can see it's automatically size to your window, which is great. One other thing that I like to do is, so I will view the source code again, is here it says the title, it links back to where your image is stored, but this is just the title, so I like to put here, so when someone hovers over the picture, they know to click. So I write here, click here, and you can see now when I'm hovering over it, it says click here, so this is a good prompt. And next I need to go to the article that I want to promote. So I got here my articles, and it's this one here, how I'm cooling down in the summer. So I will take the path, go back to ListNerds, and then right click here and click on link. And here I can just copy in the link that I want. And then very important, I always put new window here. So the link will open in the new window, which is also really good for testing and also probably for the user as well. Click save, and we can then preview and that's working. Yes, so we can see link straight to my article. But we need to now add some text, and it looks good as well in the screen. So I usually like to put in the title of my article as the subject, and then some text here to entice somebody. So I like to select a font such as Comic Sans, and then I would write something such as my latest article on how I'm cooling down in the summer, and then click below to view, and then we can remove this, and yeah, the next step is I like to maybe make this so that this is, we want their attention here, so I make it bold and a bit bigger. And also I like to add some color, but the tips I got were not to add too much color. So yeah, so we got a yellow and white there, so I would go for, yeah, maybe dark yellow and a light yellow background to match. Okay, so just I like a short and sweet text. Could experiment and centralize it. Then preview. How I'm cooling down in summer. Click below to view, so they know they need to click on the picture, and also we have a click here prompt. We can test it once more so that we're happy. We don't want to waste our emails. And that's looking good to me. I would send that one now. Maybe I will check the spelling up here. It should also be with a apostrophe. And that's it. Yeah, so we're pretty good to go. And then we can click on send. And then that's it. So that's how you send an email nice and simply in ListNerds. And now I can get back to listen to the Stick Up Boys latest music video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.